Somewhere in your plant right now, a critical pump is running without a confirmed spare. A bearing that's failed twice this year hasn't been flagged as high risk. And your team is chasing parts that should have been pre-confirmed days ago. This isn't a worst-case scenario. For most asset-heavy operations, it's Tuesday. Is your criticality strategy protecting your operation or just filling spreadsheets? In manufacturing, oil and gas, and utilities, leaders face a compounding problem. Criticality assessments done years ago and never revisited. Spare parts classified by gut feel, not by risk. MRO data that's inconsistent and spread across disconnected ERP and CMMS systems. The result? Working capital locked in dead stock and obsolete parts. Critical spares missing at the moment they're needed most. Emergency procurement running at a 30 to 60% cost premium. Planners spending 80% of their time reviewing work orders that need no action. When an unplanned shutdown hits, because a single train asset failed and its spare had a 14-week lead time, the cost isn't just the emergency order. It's lost production, safety exposure, reliability metrics that miss targets quarter after quarter. The data to fix this exists, but no one has connected it. MRO360 is an AI native intelligence layer that sits above your existing ERP, SAP, Maximo, Oracle, Infor, no replacement required, deployed in 8 to 12 weeks. It begins with equipment criticality. Every asset is scored across 30 parameters: failure consequence, production impact, and safety compliance. Contextual AI adds plant type, geography, and historical tech notes. Every engineer override is captured and accuracy compounds over time. From equipment criticality flows, spare parts criticality. Every SKU is scored based on the asset it supports, not its purchase value. The same bearing carries a different score based on redundancy. Lead times are inferred from global supply chain intelligence. Obsolete parts are identified and alternates sourced. Cross-site surplus is visible before a single emergency purchase order is raised. The result? Reorder points recalculated continuously. An AI-filtered planner queue showing only the items that genuinely need attention. Analyses that previously took months are completed in weeks, with zero missed critical parts at the start of any work order. Criticality is no longer just a maintenance exercise. It is a business continuity strategy. The right spare part can prevent millions in downtime. MRO360 gives your team the intelligence to make that happen, continuously and autonomously. Explore MRO360 today. Request a demo today to transform your maintenance and reliability operations.